What's up, guys? Mike Sharp here. This is Sharp Investing, not investment advice. Welcome back, and I just wanted to touch on a couple of trades that I closed. TEVA, I have just closed it at 10:53 on the 18th. Now, every once in a while, you get a trade that works out perfectly, exactly how you design it, and they're very rare. But I'm quite happy about this one because I originally had put a buy zone on the chart, the TEVA chart, anything below 750, because I've been watching it for quite a while. And usually when it gets below 750, sometimes 8 actually, 750, $7, the buying starts to come in. And then, as you can see, there's a fairly clear range here where, pops back up to somewhere around $10 to $12. And then the selling pressure starts. So I had this buy zone and sell zone set up before the price came down, and I was just waiting for it to fall into that zone. It did fall in there late May, and I bought some. I put the video up, and I've just sold. So that is a 40% return in May, June, July, August, September. So 4 months of 40% in 4 months. So that's a very, there's some luck involved for sure. But that one worked out well, and I was actually considering going short here, but that's more risk than I want to take on to try and get a 30 or 40% gain, because I think with that company, one of these days it's going to break out of that range up, because they've cut all their debt pretty significantly. They're still doing that, and they have a growth plan that they've implemented now. I don't know if it'll work, but they're actually focused on growth for the first time in a long time. And I think the market may like that. So I'm thinking I probably don't want to go short here, but it's possible it's going to come back down again and get another chance to do this. So I've had 2 wins on TEVA over the last 2 years. And, it's turned out to be a pretty good stock for me, even though it hasn't gone anywhere. So that's TEVA. I'll keep watching it. I may buy again if it comes back down. Last one is Meta. Now, I got shaken out of this one. This one wasn't as good. I got shaken out of the last 25% of my position at about 280. I had a moment of weakness, and I sold based on an emotion that I thought I was kind of freaking out that the stock was just going to collapse and I wasn't going to be able to get out. And of course, that was the bottom tick, and it went back up to 300 right after that. So I don't have Meta anymore. Same situation. If it comes back down, I would definitely consider buying it again, but I don't think it's cheap at these levels. I think it's at the high end of fair value. So it's not something I see a huge amount of upside in the short term. But that could be wrong. It could scream up to 500 if the results continue to improve here. What else? I think that's it. Just wanted to catch you guys up on a couple of my trades and take a little bit of a victory lap on TEVA. And I should also mention that Meta, it actually turned into about a 95% win. Overall, my average exit price was about 250 because I exited in 4 different chunks, and the purchase price was average cost was 127. So yeah, 2 of my better trades over the last year, and hopefully we'll get some more. Thanks. We'll catch you in the next video.